Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'll be teaching you how to play the tune Morrison's Jig on the fiddle, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below, and if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I post videos just like this one each and every week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button below along with the notification bell so that you never miss when I upload a new video. And if you're interested in going a little bit beyond the melody and adding in some stylistic elements like in the version of the tune you heard me play just a minute ago, then definitely check out the extended version of this tutorial where I walk you through exactly how to do that, and you can find that video on Patreon via the link in the description box below. As always, the timestamps will be listed below if you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. Now this is a jig, so of course we are in 6/8 time, and the first phrase begins on E on the D string, and it goes like this. Okay, so you'll notice we have a lot of this long, short rhythm throughout this tune. We have a mix of quarter notes and eighth notes, and then sets of 3 eighth notes at a time. So be sure to put a little bit more emphasis on the rhythm as you're learning this by ear over the notes. You can always do a second pass or a third pass if you need to of this video to catch the notes, but this first time, see if you can really pay attention to the rhythm. And here is our second phrase. All right, and then our third phrase is the same as the first phrase, so hopefully you recognize these notes. Okay, and then our last phrase of this A section begins on the D string with a third finger G, and it goes like this. So we had a little descending scale pattern at the end there, and that is the whole A section. So it's pretty short, and the form of this tune is A-A-B, so the B section does not repeat, but it is a little bit longer than the A section, which you'll learn here in just a couple of minutes. But before that, let's go ahead and play this A section together at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now getting into this B section, we have some fun string crossings beginning in the first phrase. So let's go ahead and start on the A string with a B. Okay, so we had some alternating open E's there, and then a little descending scale at the end of that phrase. We start the next phrase the same way, beginning on B and then going up to open E. This next phrase is almost the same as the first phrase of the B part, but the ending is just a little bit different rhythmically, so listen for that. And then this next phrase starts with a descending scale beginning on G on the E string, and goes like this. All right, now this is the point in the B section where it sounds like it should repeat back to the beginning, and in a way it sort of does. We kind of go back to the opening phrase of the B part, but it goes into a slightly different section. So you'll notice the melody changes a little bit. The notes are slightly different than they were in the first half of the B section. Okay, moving on, we're starting on a B, and again alternating with those open E's. right, so all of that is pretty much the same as what we've had so far, and this is where the melody changes a little bit, and for this next phrase we're starting on a G with our second finger on the E string. Okay, so rhythmically, we kind of do a callback to the A section with the quarter note, eighth note figure there. And our last phrase goes like this. So even though it might sound a little bit out of place, we do have a C sharp in there in that last phrase, so make sure to play that accurately with your second finger on the A string. So now that we've gotten through both sections, let's go ahead and play this B section together at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there you have it. That is all of Morrison's Jig. I really hope you enjoyed learning that one with me today. Congratulations for making it to the end and through the whole tune. If you're interested in taking a look at the sheet music for this one, it is available in my digital sheet music library. You can find the link to that in the description box below. And again, if you'd like to check out the extended version of the tutorial, if you are ready to move on and upgrade this melody a little bit, then definitely head over to Patreon to check that out. And until next time, happy practicing.